Hi, welcome to the Cloud Developer Certification Preparation Series. In this short lecture, we'll be discussing monitoring applications in the cloud. After you complete this unit, you should understand the various methods to monitor an application in IBM Bluemix Platform as a Service, how to measure application availability, CPU and heap memory usage, response time, and throughput by using the Monitoring and Analytics service, how to monitor application logs by using the CF command line tool during staging and when the application is running, how to view metrics of resource utilization with IBM Autoscaling service, and how to use instance details panel from the application overview in the dashboard. The Monitoring and Analytics service provides performance monitoring resources metrics for your IBM Bluemix Liberty application. By using this service, you can identify potential issues with your application at runtime. There are 5 options for monitoring applications in Bluemix. Option 1 is monitoring Bluemix application logs before and after it has started using the CF command line tool. Option 2, you can monitor Bluemix application logs after it has started. With Option 3, you can view performance metrics by using the IBM Bluemix monitoring service. Option 4, you can view performance metrics by using the Bluemix Autoscaling service if the application uses that service. And finally, Option 5, you can use log viewing and monitoring from IBM Bluemix DevOps services. In Option 1, you can monitor your application logs before and after they have started using the CLI. Being able to view your application log files is essential for any developer. The CF logs app name-recent shows a subset of recent logs from the application deployed to Bluemix with the name app name. The CF logs app name command will tail the logs from the application deployed to Bluemix with the name app name. You will not be able to see any of the past logs with this command. The CF command line tool will be very critical to monitor and debug issues before the application can even be started. The IBM Liberty runtime developers change the trace specification dynamically from the Bluemix console without restarting the application. In Option 2, you can monitor the application after it has started. After your application is deployed and somewhat stable, you will want to use a logging service. There are a few reasons to do this. The first is using the CF app name recent will only allow you to see so far back in your logs. 2. The only way to view logs of your app over a long period of time is to use a logging service. If you browse the Bluemix catalog, you will come across the Monitoring and Analytics service. This service can be used with any app using the IBM Liberty or Node.js runtimes. This service offers a variety of additional features besides log collection, but log collection comes in the free plan. With this service, you can only view logs from the past 24 hours, so if you need your logs to be persisted longer than 24 hours, consider one of the third-party services. The nice thing about this service is that it offers great searching functionality so you can easily identify patterns in your logs. Please find more information in the URL shown. The third option is viewing performance metrics by using the Bluemix monitoring service. To do this, select the Bluemix application that you are monitoring. On the left-hand side navigation bar, you will see a list of services. Click on Monitoring and Analytics. Under the Performance Monitoring tab, shown here, you will see multiple graphs depicting different performance-related metrics, some of which are the JVM CPU usage, which is useful for identifying any unusual spikes in CPU usage. The Java heap usage allows you to see how much heap memory your application has been using and if it falls within an acceptable range. You can also check your Bluemix application's thread pool usage to see if it is meeting your expectations. And finally, you are able to monitor how often and how long your application is running garbage collection and deduce what implications that may have on performance. Option 4 was discussed in Section 3.2. With Option 4, you can view performance metrics by using the Bluemix Autoscaling service, if that application uses that service. If your application is stressed enough, you can see the scaling policies you have defined will take effect and depending on the conditions you see the application scale out and scale in. To check the scaling history, click on the Scaling History tab in section 3.2. Developers can also use Auto Scaling Service to view the details of monitoring. Here we can see the performance metrics in the Auto Scaling Service. You can select the application instance by clicking on the drop-down to view statistics. You can also view scaling history in the Auto Scaling Service. The scaling history displays the scaling history for your applications during the past week, past month, or on a custom range. With option 5, you can use log viewing monitoring ability from IBM Bluemix DevOps services. Please refer back to section 5 in the DevOps section of the certification course. Other options we can use are Liberty in Bluemix with JConsole using JMX. Please visit the following links for more information on monitoring and analytics.